Let's break down async JavaScript in a way anyone can understand. JavaScript runs code one line at a time. It's synchronous by default. But what if we want to wait for something, like user input or data from the internet, or set timeout? It becomes asynchronous. JavaScript doesn't wait. It moves on and comes back later. Here, 2 is delayed by 1 second. This is asynchronous behavior using a callback. A callback is a function passed into another function to run later, once the task is done. Simple, right? But too many callbacks lead to callback hell. Code becomes hard to read and even harder to maintain. Enter promises, a cleaner way to handle async tasks. You get back a result with then, when it's ready. And now we have async await, a modern way to write asynchronous code that looks synchronous. Much nicer. Remember, callbacks are powerful, but promises and async await make your code cleaner and easier to maintain. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more quick JavaScript tips.